Boom, same thing. I get here. I pop up, I go here. Now as I go here, he knows and he pushes into me. And now I just roll over this shoulder, look. And now I'm right back into an armbar. He's got so, as I go here, everything's set. Boom, boom. I pop up, I get this. But good dudes know where I'm going. He's trying to get his posture. I'm trying to get my leg across. Boom, now I look and I go. Now I can slow this down if I want. But we're gonna end up here and I'm gonna break it anyway. And Ensign turned belly down and armbar Randy. And that's when Randy was young and he was beating everybody. He went and fought Ensign overseas, remember Brad? He went and fought him in rings in Japan. And Ensign caught Randy in an armbar. Randy did not roll through because Randy wanted to stay on top and punch Ensign in the face, and Ensign broke his arm and finished him. Here, boom, pop, I'm here. It starts happening, I'm here. And I'm following it. Go back for me, Case. As I land, I don't stay belly into the ground. I create an angle. So now I've got breaking power. If he stays here, I'll break it right now. He has to roll. And when he does, I'm gonna trap him. And I'm just gonna break it here.